Welcome and congratulations on being invited to apply to the VAVA National Junior Honor Society. Before you get involved, we wanted to make sure that you have some understandings and some expectations about what membership represents and then what your commitments will be. NJHS represents excellence in our community and our school. We have a strong academic record, but also our members serve as role models. Our most important qualities are scholarship, service, leadership, character, and citizenship. And so everything we do kind of falls under that umbrella. So let's talk about expectations. So the first expectation is that all members maintain a GPA of 3.5 or above in order to stay in good standing. We also require meeting attendance. We meet once a month, and those dates will be announced beforehand. The expectation is that all members attend these monthly meetings. If for some reason you're unable to attend, you'll need to reach out to a NJHS sponsor and we can figure out how you can make up that attendance. But meetings are really important. It's a chance for us to talk about our service projects, for you guys to celebrate all of the activities you're doing on your own. And it's just a great chance to build community with other students who have similar interests and passions. So let's talk about service hours. So every semester, you're expected to complete 5 service hours. This should be something that genuinely benefits the community, something that is making your community better. It should not be something that you already do as part of a family. So taking out your trash, mowing your lawn, raking your yard, that's something that you do as part of a family, so that doesn't count as service. This can be part of another organization that you are a member of. So if you're in Scouts or if you're involved with a church or religious organization, those hours can count toward this. You will submit those service hours each semester through a Google form where you will also submit a slide. And one of our meetings each semester is where everyone gets a chance to share these slides showing all of the awesome stuff they're doing all around the state. And so it's really neat to see kind of all this kindness that's being spread across Virginia. If for some reason you have mobility or transportation issues, reach out to one of the sponsors and we can talk to you about some options that don't require you to be in person. So let's talk about some great examples from past members. So several students have done yard work for an elderly neighbor, or I know one time it was a family where the spouse was on deployment and so they wanted to help out the single parent who was home. Sometimes some students have collected trash at a local park or a playground. We've had some really cool hygiene kits that students have made where they basically, in a little baggie, put, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, and then take them to a homeless shelter so they can be distributed to those who are suffering from homelessness. Some students have cleaned up their mosque, their church. I know another student cleaned up the stadium at a local high school after football games. You can volunteer at a public library, shelving, doing whatever kind of tasks that they need. There are lots of friends organizations at local libraries. Some students have assembled holiday care packages for children in need. Some have volunteered with their athletic organization or dance program to do activities for younger students in part of their program. And others have babysat or watched a neighbor's house or pets for free. So since it is a service you're offering to someone else and you're not getting paid for it, then that counts as a service project. If you're getting paid, it doesn't. So additionally, aside from you completing your service hours, we do complete 2 service projects each year, one in the fall, one in the spring. And sometimes it's a pretty kind of simple task. So we've done cards to send to nursing homes and to the military. Other times it's a little bit more involved. So last spring we did Beautify Your Community, where everyone did one thing in their local area. So that might have been picking up trash somewhere or planting flowers for an elderly neighbor or that type of thing. The expectation is that everyone participates in those projects. So that is all I have for you. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to the sponsors, and we are happy to kind of give you any guidance you may seek. So we look forward to seeing those applications, and have a great one.